Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, who has given us mercy and blessing, my respectable lecturer, Ma'am Ayu, as the lecturer of the seminar on ELT, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Milda Maulidah. I'm from class 7B. In this video, I would like to deliver my presentation about my research proposal. The title is Evaluating the Quality of English Lesson 1 Textbook, published by Gontor Press at the 7th grade junior high school of Subul Salam Islamic Boarding School. Chapter 1 Introduction Research Objectives. This present research has research objective as follows. First, to explain the language aspect coverage English learning process using English textbook, lesson 1 published by Gontor Press. And the second is to explain the correlation using English textbook published by Gontor Press with English learning purpose in Pesantren Subul Salam. And the last is to explain the Islamic values information presented by the authors of English textbook lesson 1 published by Gontor Press. And the second is research focus. The writer will focus on the evaluating the quality of English textbooks, English lesson 1 published by Gontor Press. The third is research questions. The writer formulates the research question as follows. First, what are the aspect coverage included in the English textbook published by Gontor Press? The second is the English teaching using English textbook published by Gontor Press related with English learning purpose at Pesantren Subul Salam? And the last is, what are the Islamic values contained in English textbook published by Gontor Press? And the last is the significance of research. The first practically and the second academically. The next is chapter 2 about literature review. First is teaching English in pesantren. This is in line with Rahma's idea that in this kind of confusing situation, English materials can be tailored with Islamic themes or message. Rahmah 2010, page 104 until 117. And the second is English learning process in Subul Salam. First, daily activity, giving some vocabularies every morning. And the second is weekly activity. There are conversation and speech practice. And the third is the role of textbook, language teaching. In the process of teaching and learning English, textbook has great position which offers the various functions. Textbooks are believed to have several roles that can provide valuable input to expressing the new cultural content and its diversity. Kobia 2009, page 57. The fourth is the nature of textbook. A textbook is a printed and bound paper for each year or course of study. And the fifth is the evaluation of textbook. McGrath 2002 stated that a textbook is important because it sets the direction, content, and a certain extent how the lesson is to be taught. And the last is the theories of textbook evaluation. There are three theories. First, Chinese word theory. The second, Sheldon theory. And the last is Jeremy Hammer theory. Chapter 3, there are research setting. In the research setting, there are place, time, and condition. And the second is research design, qualitative research approach. And the third is research participants. There are teachers and students of English lesson. The next is research instrument used to collect the necessary information. And the last is data collection procedures since being observed during a lesson. Okay, thank you. Maybe enough here from my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.